Hey, what's up action takers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing 3 winning products that you guys should sell right now, and also I'm going to be providing you guys my feedback on why I think it's a winning product and what they did right and what you can do better to hit your own winning product. Now if you don't know, every Thursday I do videos like these where I share ideas, winning products, and also just updated strategies, Facebook ads, and other paid methods. So if you haven't subscribed yet or hit that notification bell, go ahead and do so. And finally, make sure to smash that like button, show your support. Let's go. And of course, just before we start, I'm just gonna remind you guys, all the product links and the video links that will be shown in today's video will be shared and provided in our Facebook group. It's the first link in the description. It's called the ECOM Action Takers. If you haven't joined that group yet, feel free to do that so you can have access to the links in this video. And also a quick reminder, if you want to win a one-on-one consulting call with me, make sure to comment down below #ActionTakers plus a side comment of what kind of videos you want to see from me next. If you have any questions as well, feel free to drop it down below. I usually answer your questions here on YouTube anyway. But since you guys love these kind of videos and contents where I share winning products, then let's start. This is actually one of my stores, currently doing about almost $3,000. Today I haven't scaled this one yet to the max, letting it flow. It's between 30 to 35% profit margin on a daily basis. And if we just go this week, you know, we've done about 13,000, and this month about $18,000. So it's not bad. It's well on track. I might hit 100,000 this month with this store here. If you guys want to hit your winning product straight away, then make sure to test and test and test. So here we go. This is a product number 1 here. Now if you're wondering how I find these winning products, then I've done so many videos on this where I show you guys different kinds of winning product research methods and not saturated methods as well. The ones that I recently shared are my personal own methods that I found. So if you haven't watched that, then feel free to do so. But anyway, this is the first product that we have on the list, which is a slider kit. You know, it helps you lift items in your house, furnitures, and all of that stuff very easily. Let's have a look at the price. It's about $13 and $14 including shipping, and I did see the competitors link for this as well. Okay, so this is it here. These are the guys that actually scaled this product, and I'm gonna tell you guys how they scaled it and what they are doing right. So on the get-go, this is their homepage here. Okay, it's really clean. We just click the order now, so it takes us to the product page itself. Now mind you, the price that they're selling is about $70. They have free shipping there, and the cost of this product is actually $14. So they have a big profit margin on this particular product here. Okay, and the reason for that is because it has a high perceived value, and it doesn't look like a $13 product here. Okay, now you can click full details here, and that's gonna show us the reviews, or not the product description. I thought it was gonna show product description, but not. But let's actually have a look at their Facebook page and what they are doing at the moment. So here it is here. Okay, and then what we want to do is go see more. Okay, just search up the brand name on Facebook, click on their link, and then just go to ad library. This is how you stalk what kind of ads they are currently running at the moment. All right, filter that by all, and we can see they're running a couple of ads. Now I actually found the video, and they had about 33 million views on this particular ad, which is insane. Okay, with any bit.ly links, now I don't recommend you guys using bit.ly links, but in this case, the reason for that, you can see how the landing page is doing, and also the the particular countries that they're targeting. And I'm going to show you guys an example. So you just copy the link, paste that link, and add the plus sign, and you're gonna see, okay, that a week of November they actually started testing this, and they've been scaling a lot. Look at this, they've had about 2,000 clicks on that bit.ly link alone on this a week. So that's a good sign of a healthy winning product here. You can see that it's slowly going up. There's a slight decrease here, but this is probably during Chinese New Year. Now they picked it back up, and I'm assuming they're going to be scaling this. And this is the perfect moment for you guys to jump in, create a better creative, and create a better product description, so you guys can use this as a winning product. And another reason why I don't recommend bit.ly links is because you can see, like I said before, which location they're targeting. So this is United States, United Kingdom. Obviously most of their traffic is actually United States. Now let's move on to the second product. Okay, this is an awesome product. This has the same potential as the posture back corrector. Okay, this basically helps around at the waist where it supports your lower back, and also it has some sort of heat therapy at the back as well. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, and they're selling it for about $30, and they also have United States option. That's a big plus there, which means you can have that faster shipping time and beat your other competitors. Now let's just head to their, now I did find their website here. Okay, they're called Confor Shop, and then same thing, check out the ads that they're currently running. Okay, filter by all, just wait for that, and here we go. They have another bit.ly link, and we'll have a look at how they're doing at the moment. Don't forget to add a plus sign. Okay, they started this month. Actually, they started a couple of days ago, and you can see that they're getting a lot of tractions. Okay, they are in the testing phase, and I won't be surprised once they start scaling this. So they're probably getting about 100 clicks a day, and that is insane. Okay, this is their website here. What I like about this is it's very straightforward, and they focus on how you can solve the problem. Now it looks like they just copy pasted it from somewhere else, because they put Haley packs there, and they have Haley Care here and Haley Care on the product. And you guys can definitely create a better product description than this, but they have good product images and good images on the description as well. If you just scroll down a bit, okay, they have the benefits here. I would put this at the top. All right, solid description overall, how it works. That's awesome. Okay, and let's look at the price there. That's about $80 US, and they're getting it for about $30. That's a big healthy profit margin there. Now let's have a look at their actual creative. That's not the best, and it's only 20 seconds. Not the best quality here. 100% you guys can jump in and create a better ad creative, and that's only under 20 seconds. We already know that they are about to scale this, because they are testing and getting about 100 visits per day. That is insane as well, so keep that one in mind. Create a better ad creative and create a better product description as always, so that you can capture the audiences that they're targeting. Let's move on to the final product. Now this product here is insane. We can see that there's about 3,800 orders and healthy reviews. Okay, and people are actually scaling this. All right, so this is after Chinese New Year, then boom, 150 orders. So you know that a dropshipper is scaling this at the moment. And I'm gonna tell you guys why I really love this product. The first thing is because you can brand this product. Okay, this is $20, and you can put a healthy profit margin in this for about $60, okay, for each. Now with those two reasons alone, you can definitely create a long-term brand out of this product. Now the third reason why I love this, and this is always one of the factors that I look at now whenever I test a product, is because this is an evergreen product, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. This is a pregnancy product. Every single days there is always a person that will be pregnant, hence they're gonna be searching a lot of pregnancy stuff, and they're gonna be in the pocket of audiences once you target them on Facebook. And that means that there's always going to be new people in that pocket of audiences, and that's what you call an evergreen audience. This niche is never going to be saturated because of the forever cycle of this niche. You know how there's always going to be new women or ladies that will get pregnant on a daily basis. Okay, so that's a big tip for you guys whenever you search for winning products. Let's have a look at the video that they have here. Pretty awesome. You have the product here. Like I said, you can brand this, you can get this video, and just, you know, there's no captions or anything. It's a high quality video, and you just put all the benefits in there as well. Look at that. She twisted the pillow to make it look like she's carrying the baby. So this is an amazing product, and this is a bonus product for you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below #ActionTakers if you want to win a one-on-one consulting call with me. Hope to see you guys soon.